CITREX H5. The high-precision measuring device CITREX H5 is the ideal solution to check and calibrate gas flow and pressure-generating devices in the medical field. The test set contains a compact bag, enough space for secure transport, a quick start manual which explains how to set up the device, and a detailed calibration certificate. The Ethernet cable allows connection between your network and CITREX. A test lung, the cleverest and cheapest way to realistically simulate a patient's lung. A USB cable to connect CITREX to a PC. Custom-fit carry bag made out of high-quality materials. The ideal all-in-one test device, CITREX H5. Plastic caps protect flow channels. A universal car adapter that allows battery charging. A micro SD memory card for data storage. A protection filter. An adapter set with a wide array of adapters. AC power supply for safe operation and battery charging. The laminar flow tube helps to eliminate turbulences in flow measurement and therefore enables more accurate measurement results. Available at IMT Analytics.